Tech and HD Reviews. Today we're going to be repairing a Panasonic TH series plasma television from 2007. This is a classic 50-inch monster. Weighs about 100 pounds. Now we got the giant 50-inch on a flat surface so I can take off the base, which is these 4 screws. So I'm going to do that right now. Disassembled in preparation for the part that I was receiving, so there's not too many screws taken out of this TV. 7 Panasonic TH, all the side 4 and lower 2 are long. Release the back off the TV with this little FTDI connector, some shit for the LCD controller. Down here is your C buffer, the entire bottom row. All these fucking little connectors right here is your C buffer. So if you have vertical lines on your TV, that's what's fucked up. If you have horizontal lines on your TV, those are what's fucked up, or it's your Y main. So today, on this television, we have a problem with the Y main buffer board, which is split into 2 sections. So in preparation for this repair, what I'm going to do is remove some connectors off of this board. So we'll prepare for that. Get those 4 screws out in the 4 peg locations on the back of the TV and pull the stand off. Just come out. Is undo the clips first and then the screws. So with this particular type of buffer board, you pull from the back like that on each one of these, and make sure they're up all the way, facing up. I probably should have mentioned by now, do not be doing this shit if you're not comfortable with it. Pull out the double-sided flat flex very carefully, because these orange strips are bonded to the glass panel. If these break, then your TV breaks. You can't fix these. This stupid board you can fix. Almost done with the repair over here. Super pimpin'. This is the lower buffer board, and above that split right there is the upper buffer board, which, you know, this TV drives this whole horizontal section in 2 sections. It's split. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna pull off the signaling from the board. So what you're gonna do is very carefully pull it up, and only up a little bit. You don't want it to be pulled up very far. You gotta rock it, and you have to pull it up and lift it, and that's as far as you want to go. No higher than that. After that point, after you disconnected and then pulled this up right here at a small degree so it clears the board, but not by much. Next, this is a zip connector similar to a motherboard or a fucking graphics card of some kind. Go into the second lead, put your finger under there, grab it, and rock back and forth very slowly. Pull up, and there's your Y buffer board. This one is damaged, and the interconnects and the IC chips are fused. So these are hard to find on they cost like 20-30 bucks shipped to your house. This particular buffer board for my TV is part number TNPA4185. 2007 era IC buffer matrix board. So there you go. Today we're going to be installing a new one, because that's why this TV doesn't work. We have our new buffer board. Federal Express just dropped this crap off to me about 10 minutes ago, so we're going to install it right now. Packaged Y buffer board. This is the lower And what I'm going to do is attempt to ground myself, take my feet off of the fucking carpet, and like make sure as best as I can, because this is low voltage integrated circuits. They do operate at 90 volts, but still, you know, you want to give us the best chance of surviving. So touch some screws, because those are usually grounded, shit like that, you know what I mean? Certain things like these and caps and stuff, keep your hands away from. One chance to do it right, because I only have one of these boards. So I got my particular repair parts and components from quicktvparts.com. Contact them at 407-574-3856 Monday through Friday, 10 to 5. If you have any problems, contact at quicktvparts.com. The board, I'm going to take it out right now. Putting it in. Ground myself one last time. Some ground tabs. Like, I really freaked out about this. Because if I fuck this up, it's game over. So get our general line up here. Reverse process. I'm going to connect the zip socket and then the FTDI voltage presence detect serial detect signal. I'll be back in a minute. So these flat flex cables are the hardest thing of the entire repair. So I'm going to do this off screen because they are double segmented, prone to scan line errors if you don't put them in correctly. So I'll be back. Very quick tip with this flat flex: you should not be able to see any metallic connectors at all on the back edge of the fold connector. That means that both sides are connected. The reverse process for repairing the TV: just put the backpack on, then the stand, check it, and put power to it. FTDI/SPI header back on, a little cover for it. There's a repair video on how you repair a Panasonic Plasma TH series from 2007, 50 inch bad Y buffer board replacement. So there we go. Works perfectly now. Good to go. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Damn, that TV was heavy. Yeah.